Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing tools in Zerodha. First, log in to Kite and open any stock chart. You'll find the drawing tools icon, often a pencil symbol, on the chart interface. Clicking this reveals a panel with more than 30 different tools. These tools are essential for technical analysis, helping you visualize market trends and make informed trading decisions. They provide a powerful way to interpret price action and identify potential opportunities. Next, let's master trend lines. To draw a trend line, select the Line or Ray tool from the drawing panel. Click on two significant swing highs or lows to connect them, forming your trend line. For parallel channels, draw a trend line, then duplicate it and move the copy to create a channel. These lines help identify support and resistance, offering visual cues for potential entry and exit points. Remember, a confirmed trend line often sees price reacting to it multiple times. Now, let's explore Fibonacci tools. Select the Fibonacci retracement tool from the drawing menu. Click on a significant swing high and drag to a swing low or vice versa to plot the retracement levels. Key levels like 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8% often act as support or resistance. Fibonacci extensions help project potential price targets beyond previous highs or lows. These tools are invaluable for understanding market corrections and anticipating future price action. Finally, customize your charts with annotations. Use the text and shape tools to add notes or highlight specific patterns directly on your chart. This helps in journaling your analysis and remembering key observations. Zerodha Kite allows you to save your chart layouts, including all your drawings and indicators, so you don't have to redraw them every time. You can also adjust the color, thickness, and style of your drawing tools to suit your personal preferences, making your analysis more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.